Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video on Nancy Artwork. Today we are going to experiment fluid art. Okay, I know you guys must have seen a lot of videos and would always be curious to know how these guys produce it. It look very simple, but then when you start trying it, it doesn't prepare that beautiful cells for you guys. So I was just randomly going to a stationery shop and found a Camlin official kit for fluid art, and that's for beginners who want to try and see if they have interest in this kind of medium. I picked this one kit, and I thought of experimenting with it, but I've not just limited it to the kind of texture that prepares. I thought of producing some cells which are like one of the aim of this or the purpose of this experiment. So let's dive into what I have experimented. I have experimented 2 canvases just because I had some leftover colors and I didn't want to waste them, and I had a small canvas with me, so I've experimented that on canvas. And I've also kept in mind that the base of the 2 canvases are different. So one is white base canvas and another is a black canvas. So let's dive in.
I initiated practicing a canvas sheet with the blue paint. It yielded me no cells but a beautiful marble effect. Let's see how I achieved a beautiful cell using Camlin fluid acrylic colors and a tinge of my own flavor. Let's start. I started placing a black garbage paper at my tabletop so that I don't spill any colors. Beginning to open my kit to see what is there inside it. A beautiful pack of 4 colors. At the back, you can see the instructions written clearly. I found a canvas of 8 by 8 inside it, or 20 cm by 20 cm. It's a white plain canvas. Let's remove the plastic covering over the canvas and place them over the 3 inverted cups, and it's easy to pick the canvas after pour. I've also received a Camlin kit also provide a blank sheet so that you don't mess while working on the pour, and it also suggests you to work upon your canvas to a little height by using some tilted cups. These are the 4 pretty colors I've received with the kit. To give it my own touch, I have prepared my own black and golden so that it can give my own flavor, and I've also added silicone oil to them to prepare beautiful cells out of it. Let's start. Let's take an empty cup and pour colors one by one to it. I would suggest to pour colors from one side of the cup. Keep on adding one by one in the same direction. It has already started preparing beautiful circles over it. When you use black, use a very small quantity of it. I'm using a pour technique, so I would like to prepare a V shape, and I will maybe try a cup reversal pour in the next phase. Let's spread it using a hairdryer. I think I have added quite a less color for this canvas, but let's try. Yeah, it's not actually spreading completely on the canvas, it's quite less in quantity, so let's pour more color. This time I'm going to use a complete full cup by using the same colors. And now let's use flip pour. Oh my god, it has already started giving some cells. I'm going to keep on adding the colors till I find my own desired result. I think this one has given me a quite good texture and beautiful cells as well. Look at the formation of those beautiful cells. Now because I'm also left with some more colors, let's use a small canvas. I have typically kept in mind to use a black canvas. I'm using the same color spread, only changing the proportion of golden and red a little more than the previous colors. Let's see how it pours. Oh my god, this was a blockbuster. This is just after the pour, it has released so big cells. I will try to retain them by tilting them slowly. Aren't these cells so beautiful? After keeping those beautiful canvases aside, after 2 days I have received these beautiful textures. After trying, they look amazing. So that was all for today's video. Hope you would have liked it. Do not forget to like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe the channel so that the video reaches more and more creative people like you. Thank you.